Hello, Braveheart. Oh, I just got chilly and I'm here to do some stretches, some letting go of stresses. I'm Aunt Angel, aka ZGALA, and I invite you to join me if you feel like it. Make sure you listen to your own body. I'm going to keep it short and sweet because I am beat. It has been a long couple of days and I'm happy to be here. Happy to be alive and happy to be making time for my own body to let go of some stress so that I can make room for new stress. That's how it goes. Let's just do about 3 deep breaths. I'm going to scooch back just a little bit and hopefully not crunch my ankles too much. Let's just breathe in, bring the shoulders up, condense up the hands, scrunch the toes, pull up the pelvic floor, and then just let it go. I like to let the arms swing left over right, right over left. It's a good way to let go of some stress too. Ooh, I got some kachanks in there. How about you? Got any kachanks? You just wait. You'll get some if you don't have some already. No, maybe you will, maybe you won't. If you keep doing your stretches, maybe you'll have fewer than I. And maybe if you don't play so hard, talking to you, self. I'm still silly, even though it's late. Let's do another one. Breathing in, lifting the shoulders, squeezing the fingers and the toes. Breathing in a little bit more and then just letting it go. I encourage you to try out some different kinds of size. See if you like one in particular. See how the different ones feel in your body. Let's do another one. Breathing in, tensing up. Breathing in a little more, holding. And then, like to wing the arms back a little. Let's add just a little quick arm stretch. See if we can get some more of that stress out of there. Bring this arm across again and give it a little shoulder roll. Trying to relax it. Again, you follow your own body. Do what feels good in your body. There's not one right way. Not one wrong way. There are many right ways and probably many wrong ways. And if you remember nothing else, remember life is too important to take it too seriously. It goes by quicker than you think. So give yourself a little more love. Take some time to check in with your body regularly. Like and subscribe because it helps me. And I thank you if you do. And stay curious, courageous, get more fit, get more free. Let's do a little of this. There you have it. I'll be seeing you. Ciao for now.